Alright, everyone. Hello. My name is Keller Jones of Toy Network Entertainment, and welcome to my first review video. And today I'm going to show you some very favorite of mine. Well, it's actually an old system. Yep. So basically, this is the Wheel of Tiger Electronic Wheel of Fortune game. You can play. This is the Tiger Electronic Wheel of Fortune game. So basically, it comes with a cartridge. The title, yeah, basically is 1995, but basically I bought this at Goodwill. If you know where to find these things, there's Goodwill and Half Price Books. But as much as these are fine. So basically it's working well. It already has batteries in it. So basically I'm gonna turn on the game and see if it works. Yep, it works. Now, basically, let me turn off the sounding. So basically, I'm gonna turn off the sounding right now. So basically, I'm just gonna play a game. So our puzzle today is going to be people. So basically, how to play this is it's the same thing like the TV show. Yeah, it's the same thing like the TV show. You spin this. And it lands on a certain amount of money. So you type on these letters, let's say E. If there's no E, then it's the computer's turn. See that? Then you spin again. So the category is people. So I press H. No H? Okay. There's two S's. Then the computer goes again. Okay. It's my turn. So basically, I'm spinning it. I'm only doing one round. Alright, $750. So I'm gonna go with A. Okay, no A. Alright, one R. It goes again. One F. No Y. Okay, it's my turn. Yep. I'll go again. So basically H. No H. Okay. No B. So basically, I'm gonna guess I. No I. Okay. No A. Okay, then I spin again. And I'm gonna press A. No A. Okay. D. And it spins again. No G. Now, if you know what it is, you just press the solve and clear button. Now, basically, this word here says friends. But we're going to continue on. I'm just going to spin and select O. No O. No W. Oh, yeah, you lose a turn. If you spin on lose a turn. Yeah, basically the computer got it. So basically he won. But like I said, I'm just doing one round. So basically, yeah, that's the Tiger Electronic game. It's up to 2 to 3 players around. And there's a bonus round if you get it right. So basically, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like and leave a comment down below. And if you guys are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss a video. And also, my links are in the bottom on the bottom left corner of my YouTube channel. And without further ado, see you guys later. This is Kello Jones signing out.